Lecture 1, Discovering Midjourney's Magic. Hey there! Welcome to the first lecture of our exciting journey into the world of Midjourney, where we'll uncover the magic behind this amazing AI-driven image generation platform. By the end of this lecture, you should have a good grasp of how Midjourney brings your ideas to life and the basic principles that make AI-generated images possible. 1.1. The Art of Turning Words into Pictures. Midjourney is like a virtual artist that can paint vivid pictures based on the words you give it. It all starts when you describe the image you want using a text prompt. The AI then uses its incredible skills to analyze your words and create a detailed, realistic image that matches your vision. Here's a step-by-step look at the process. Word Wizardry. The AI reads your description and figures out important details like the subject, composition, lighting, and even camera settings. Picture painting. The AI taps into its vast knowledge of millions of images and their descriptions to create a brand new image that fits your prompt. Final touches. The AI polishes your image by applying any specific tweaks you've asked for, like aspect ratio, quality settings, or artistic styles. 1.2. The Secret Sauce, AI and Neural Networks. What makes Midjourney so magical? The secret lies in the powerful AI techniques and neural networks working behind the scenes. These advanced tools help the platform understand your words, recognize patterns, and generate stunning images that match your imagination. Let's take a peek at some of the key ingredients in Midjourney's secret sauce: dueling artists, generative adversarial networks, or GANs. Think of GANs as two artistic rivals. One artist, the generator, creates images, while the other, the discriminator, critiques them. They keep challenging each other until the images become incredibly realistic. Visual virtuosos, convolutional neural networks, or CNNs. CNNs are like AI experts in image analysis and processing. They're great at spotting important features in images like edges, textures, and shapes. This helps make the pictures Midjourney generates truly eye-catching. Borrowed brilliance, transfer learning. Transfer learning lets Midjourney use pre-existing knowledge to learn new things faster. It's like standing on the shoulders of giants to see further and create better images. In a nutshell, Midjourney is a wondrous AI-driven platform that uses cutting-edge technology to turn your words into realistic images. By understanding the basics of how Midjourney works, you'll be ready to let your imagination soar and bring your creative ideas to life. In the next lecture, we'll learn the art of crafting the perfect prompts to guide the AI in creating the images you envision.